I tested in ChatCut platform that claims you can create entire videos just by typing a prompt. I spent hours testing it for different use cases. And the results were not what I expected. And stick around, because at the end I'm showing you how to get Seedance 2.0 access inside this platform completely free. When you sign up you get 20 free credits. If sign up isn't available in your region, I'm leaving some invite codes in the description. Let's start with motion graphics. I typed a prompt asking it to create an Apple website UI animation. It took around 10 minutes to generate. Honestly, I didn't like this one. The animation felt generic and not close to what I described. But I gave it another chance with a different motion graphic prompt. And this time, I actually liked the result. So for simple motion graphics, it can work. But things got interesting when I tested it for explainer videos. I gave it a prompt to create a PUBG installation guide video. It took around 7 minutes. And the result? Now the test that actually impressed me. I uploaded a raw talking head video, plain, unedited, filler words and all.
I bet 90% of you don't know this website exists. It gives you access to all 3 Kling 3 models for nearly free. Comment Kling and I'll send you the link right now. Send you the link right now.
After a few minutes, ChatCut automatically removed all the filler words and added motion graphics on top. Then I pushed it further. I told it to add more motion graphics and captions. Few more minutes, and here's the result.
I bet 90% of you don't know this website exists. It gives you access to all 3 Kling 3 models for nearly free. Comment Kling and I'll send you the link.
Everything is customizable. Font, style, position, you control it all. It also generates a full video transcript automatically. And if there are spelling mistakes in the captions, you can correct them directly inside the platform. For talking head content creators, this is genuinely useful. Now, the free Seedance 2.0 access I promised. ChatCut has Seedance 2.0 built in, but it's locked behind a paid plan. To get free access, join their Discover channel. Send them your email address there. And they'll unlock Seedance 2.0 access for you, completely free. And if you want me to explore anything specific on this platform, comment it down below. See you in the next one.